Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Yesterday, I went to the farmer's market. Today, this morning, Robin and I went and did our shopping per usual. Yes, it was a good week. Boy, were there some amateurs. And Robin's looking at me like, oh my God, yeah. There was some serious amateurs this morning. Yeah. Okay. Yesterday, we went to Oakland for the A's game. The Coliseum, it was part of a deal that Local 1, one of Robin's unions, well, they're kind of all connected. They are all connected. But no, they got a deal from the A's and the Coliseum, tickets, food, blah, blah, blah. The food was okay. But you got to remember, the A's are out of there in about a month. So, yeah. And you could tell. So, but it was great. Free food, basically. We left just after Judge hit his home run. Yeah. Today, it was 10. Rob just shows me. It was 10-0. The A's never showed up. They really didn't. All right. Today, we're taking it kind of easy. Robin and I are kind of tag teaming tonight's dinner. We're doing shake and bake pork chops, which is one of Robin and I's favorites from childhood. So we love shake and bake. It's simple. Yes, I have the recipe down for know how to put this whole shake and bake thing together, but I want to be lazy. Got a great deal on some pork. And I'm doing potato Lyonnaise, which is one of Robin's favorites that we discovered over the last year. And I've kind of made it my own. I doubled the onions in it because it really does need it. And I'm doing one of the vegetables I picked up from the farmer's market yesterday is called Oppo, O-P-O. It is a type of zucchini used in lots of Asian dishes, but it is widely grown throughout the world. It's known by other names. You look at yesterday's message, because that's where I kind of gave you some of the other names. I can't remember them off the top of my head anymore. So that's going to be the veggie. And we're doing a Pillsbury biscuit garlic butter cheese bombs. These just look like fun. Yeah. Robin's going to be handling those. Get a big thumbs up from the peanut gallery. So that's dinner tonight. So let's get to it. Lots of different hardware. Sheet pans and fry pans, which might change over to a wok. And roasting pans, blah, blah, blah. Here's the beautiful pork that I got at the market. This is pork loin, sirloin chops, boneless. Of course, the good old original shake and bake. They don't put the bags in the box anymore, saving plastic. Potato Lyonnaise, very simple. I actually enjoy putting this together. Russet potatoes, onions, salt, pepper, butter. And you garnish it off with some parsley if you want to. This is the Oppo with some yellow squash. I'll add a little bit of onion, garlic, and some jalapeno. And for the little Pillsbury dish thingies, string cheese, some Pillsbury grands, some garlic powder, Italian herb blend from the local spicery in Marysville, and we'll be dipping that in a Rana marinara sauce. Yes! So, that's what's going on our Sunday dinner. We got a pretty packed week. Robin's got plenty of meetings, but we're trying to keep the menu simple this week. Because one, it's close to the end of the month. But we're still eating good food. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.